Hello, beautiful people. Let's make tiger nut drink. This is a known aphrodisiac. If you know, you know. Here I have the tiger nut. The tiger nut has been soaked for days to get it to this point that you can blend it. If yours is the dry one, you have to soak it for days and change the water daily. So soak it for like 3 days. And I have the dates here. This will be the sweetener. I will not be adding any sugar. So I soak these dates overnight with clean water. Even the tiger nuts, everything we are doing here is with clean drinking water. And we're going to remove the seeds of the tiger nuts. If you don't remove the seeds, it's going to ruin your blender. And I also have the coconuts. We are going to dice it into little pieces. Here I have the ginger. This will add flavor and spice to our tiger nut drink. And now let's bring everything together. I brought in the tiger nuts. Please note that in the process of soaking the tiger nuts and the dates, clean drinking water was used because this will not be parboiled, this will not be cooked. We're drinking it fresh. We'll add all these ingredients into the blender, and now we're coming in with clean drinking water, and this water is cold because this tiger nut drink is very sensitive and we're not using any preservatives. When you're making yours, please use cold drinking water. That way the tiger nut is not going to go bad easily. We're going to blend this till it's very smooth. You can decide to use your sieve to sieve this, but the mesh works better for me because it's going to remove all the granules. It's going to give you a very smooth drink. You can use the sieve for the first time and use the mesh later, but I'm starting with the mesh, and patiently I'm going to squeeze out all the juice from this blended tiger nuts. And usually I'll blend mine more than once, sometimes twice or 3 times. That way I'm going to get everything out from the ingredients we used. Remember, at Glory Homemaker, we give you value for your time. And here is our tiger nut drink. I'm going to stir this because in the process of blending, some have settled down. I'm going to stir this for everything to combine properly. I'll transfer this into my bottles. The max I leave this tiger nut drink is a day, and I preserve it in the fridge, in a working fridge and not the freezer. And anytime I want to enjoy it, I'm going to shake it vigorously because it must have settled by the sides or the down of the container. Here I'm serving mine in a wine glass because I see this as wine. This is an aphrodisiac. This is very nutritious and is very good for the other room activities. So if someone is always complaining of not being in the mood, get the mood back with this tiger nut drinks. This is a natural way to get you in the mood. I hope this video was helpful to you and you were able to learn a thing or more. I would like to hear your questions or suggestions in the comment section, and I enjoyed mine with my husband. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.